Today, I'm going to show you how to add grid lines and borders in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a presentation or simply want to make your spreadsheet more readable, these visual tools can really help structure your information clearly. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your files and documents are stored. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to add grid lines and borders. This will open up your spreadsheet in the Google Sheets editor, ready for you to make your changes. Now let's start by adding grid lines to your spreadsheet. Grid lines are those light gray lines that help you see where each cell begins and ends, making it much easier to navigate through your data. To enable them, look towards the top of your screen and click on View. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Show, which will expand to reveal more visibility options. Finally, click on Grid Lines. This will toggle the grid lines on, and you'll immediately notice how they make the entire spreadsheet structure more visible and organized. Next, let's move on to adding borders, which are more prominent lines that can help emphasize specific sections of your data. First, you need to select the range of cells where you want the border to appear. For example, click on cell A1, then hold down your Shift key and click on cell H8. This action will select all the cells within that rectangular range, highlighting them so you can see exactly which area will receive the border. With your cells selected, look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see a border icon. It typically looks like 4 small squares arranged in a grid pattern. Go ahead and click on this icon. When you do, a menu will appear showing you various border options you can apply. Now here's where you get to customize exactly how you want your borders to look. You'll see options for all borders, which adds lines around every single cell in your selection. There's also inner borders, which only adds lines between cells without touching the outer edges. You can choose horizontal borders to add lines only between rows, or vertical borders to add lines only between columns. And if you prefer, you can select outer borders to create a frame around your entire selection without adding any internal lines. Take a moment to consider which style best suits your needs and click on the option that works for you. And that's it. You've successfully added both grid lines and borders to your Google Sheets document, making your data much more organized and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.